respected elders, respected teachers, Chiranjeevi Darshil, and my dear friends. I am really proud to be part of this movement. The pride is because, as everybody told, the wonder couple, Mr. Sonu and Sobha, are trying to do something creative and innovative in making the life of parents and the responsibility of the schools of India simple by inculcating and imbibing the finer values for life through the kids. Values can only make an individual to lead and live a peaceful life. Values can only make a family to lead and live a proud and prosperous life. Values can only make a society and the citizens to become responsible citizens of this country. And values only can make and bring glory back to the country and make our country a better, prosperous and happy country. We at URC, a company started and promoted by our founder Sri U.R. Chinnuswamy, who has lived his life in the Gandhian principles way. Whole of his life he contributed many things to the society and he lived a life of exemplary, and he was living a model to everyone in every walk of life. We are proud and happy to take part in this movement as URC Construction is supporting this movement. And we in our profession always believe that through values and ethics only our company can become a better and greater company. With that in mind, when we were going through this process, and I am thankful to Ms. Chandrasekhar for introducing Mr. Shobha and Sonu to me. And they approached us, and when we interacted with them, we also manage a school in which the prime and important aspect of schooling is to imbibe and inculcate good habits and values, and then comes the education. So when we were interacting with Sonu and Sobha, we found that there is an opportunity for us to meaningfully associate with them, and that's how we are part of this movement. And from the bottom of my heart, I wish them a grand success in this movement.
Vanakkam. As Vijay Adiraj was mentioning, like, I'm not that comfortable in front of the cam, like my dad is also. I'm very comfortable behind the cam, directing and telling other people to do what they are supposed to do. I think I'm getting the feel of it now. Yes. I would like to thank the people who have been behind me and us for all these years. I'd like to thank my parents, our parents, URC, Mr. Devaraj's elder brother, good friends like Gudwanjeri, KP Kumar, and friends and relatives. I'd like to thank everybody who's made it here this Sunday morning to be a part of our vision, which is really becoming a dream. And we want to do a lot of things for the kids, for the society. It's a drop in the ocean what we have started. We are expecting a lot of corporates, friends, well-wishers to be a part of us, to make our place, our country a better place, and not make everybody to go away from here to other places. Let them all come to our country. We have the best resources, the best values. We have wonderful value and culture in our place itself. Let's not try to imitate, ape the Western cultures, because they are coming following our culture. And they are in fact trademarking a lot of things what we have been doing since centuries. Let's all be the best parents, best kids, best human beings. God bless. Thank you so much.
Thanks for giving such a lovely welcome to us and making Sonu be in front of the mic. I think it's the vision that has made him speak more than anything. We've been, into advertising for the last 18 years, and we've been wanting to do something for the society. So this came up as a thought, and then it became a dream, and then it became a strong vision, and now it's become a mission for us. We're all set to conquer the world, making every child the best child. The mission of Chocolate Kids is to make every child the best child. So we're here to make every child realize the potential that is inside them, channelize their energy onto positive thinking, and make them convert that energy into becoming better humans. So where we thought that the niche lies is to give them values, general knowledge, positive attitude, everything through entertainment. So we're trying to give the best through Chocolate Kids, make it into an entertainment-based programs. We're coming up with several DVDs. We're planning on channel shows, feature films, workshops, and a whole lot of things of interest to children, and get into the subconsciousness of a child and try to make them a better human so that they enjoy what they're seeing. And I'm sure all the elders are really going to change too because of the children around here. So let's all join together in making every child the best child. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Vijay, Shobha, Sonu, Director Sethumathavan. I'm among friends here, and all of them have already said everything that I would have liked to say, and maybe echoes the sentiments of parents across India. And although the only thing I feel is that, Shobha and Sonu say that Bharti is the brand ambassador for Chocolate Kids. But to me, I feel that Shobha and Sonu are the perfect example of parents who want their children to achieve success and fame without losing values and spreading values among children, which is very necessary today. To me, I feel I need to give them a badge first. That is what I want to say. I have a very enthusiastic team behind Saregama Kids, and it's my personal assurance to Shobha and Sonu that we will strive to make this product successful and reach everyone in India and all across the world. Thank you so much.
Darshil, Bharti, Sonu, Shobha, Mr. Sethu Madhavan, Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mr. Devarajan, Mr. Nirmal, Sharda, dear parents, grandparents, and special invitees. When Shobha and Sonu walked into my office a couple of days ago and stormed me into saying yes to come into today's program, little did I realize what a great movement they had started. So I think we first need to give them a big hand for that. And I feel doubly proud and privileged because Bharti is a student of APL Global School, and Sonu and Shobha are very lovely parents, and we are happy to be associated with visionaries like them. I have been in education for donkey's years and have seen lots of change in children. And when I saw this DVD and the theme, the idea, what struck me was the brilliance of the concept. I'm sure you've all heard of this, you cut a diamond with a diamond. I remember the moral science classes I used to have when I was in school, and there used to be parables and stories through which we were taught values. I think those days are gone. We have a very restless, highly energetic, well-informed, visual learner in our midst today in the classroom. And unless you have powerful media with jingles and catchy phrases, I don't think we are going to drive home anything that we want to tell. And increasingly, we have also realized that education is going to add not much value unless it is backed by good manners and behavior and ethics. They say you cannot buy beauty, brains, or breeding off the shelf. I would like to add behavior too cannot be bought off the shelf. Maybe breeding is just behavior. And that can be inculcated only through practice. I don't think you can actually teach behavior. You have to live behavior. And when kids see other kids performing like this, when they see them actually telling them, this is the way I want to fold my clothes, or this is the one I want to make my bed, and this is the way I want to say good morning, this is the way I want to wake up with a smile, I don't think anything can be as powerful as this. And I'm so happy to have been a part of this little initiative, a great initiative, and I'm sure that this is just the beginning, and there are many, many more lovely things that chocolate kids are going to achieve. And I thank you for this opportunity and wish you all the very best. And I hope you all will keep the support that you have shown today and take this movement to greater heights. Thank you.
I'm delighted to be here among all you chocolatey kids with sweet values. It's indeed a great pleasure. Instead of seeing sick kids all the time in the hospital scenario, it's wonderful to see happy, energetic children with sweet values. This is a perfect platform to drive home all the key messages and vital messages that we all want to impart to the children of today. As a pediatrician, there are a lot of burning issues that I find we face with today's kids, which I always wondered, how do we get this across to our kids? And I was very excited when Sonu and Shobha came up with this innovative idea, and to help us carry out what we always wanted to do. Now, a few of the issues, to name a few, are psychological problems that we see in children, children with school phobias. There are lots of kids now, thanks to the competition in school, peer pressure, lots of school bullying, etc. There are many kids we find that they get ready to go to school, they have the uniforms on, shoes, socks on, bags, they go to the van and beg, vomit in the van. They vomit or they have a stomach pain. And the parents are running to the clinic in the morning saying, my child is not well. No, it's actually a school phobia. Now, we need to equip our children with knowledge and how, all this information that school is not a bad place and you don't have to be pressurized. And to do it in this fashion through an entertainment module where the changes come from within the child and the child starts perceiving, so it's not, you don't have to necessarily come first. You don't have to necessarily do this and that to be a normal child. So those kind of facts can be driven across through these kind of media. Then a lot of other issues that are existing in the system, which I always was worried about, for example, lack of good eating habits. There's a whole range of junk food in the market and the children are always given the wrong choice of food. Now, we can incorporate those things in these, and they have already incorporated the importance of good nutrition. So the child starts believing, what is good for them, what is not good for them. When it is said in this manner, the point is driven home much better, in a better fashion. Similarly, with the issues like exercises and moral values, with the newer nuclear families, nowadays there are no good old grandparents to teach children how to be and how not to be. Unfortunately, we had good grandparents who always taught us good behavior and parents who had the time to teach us things. But with working parents and nuclear families, these things are not happening so often these days. So I think this is a fantastic way. And what better way than children, how can they learn in a better fashion, told to them by other children in a song and dance fashion? I think this is the best way to drive home and these important messages to children, because they are learning it in an enjoyable fashion. And we all know that once we enjoy something,
we remember. So enjoyment equals remembering, and the remembrance is what is going to take us into the future. That's why kudos to Sonu and Shobha for helping the children in our society now with all these innovative ideas to become better adults for tomorrow's world. Thank you.
When Sonu and Shobha came, I felt bad about myself because I always claim that I have a talent. The talent is spotting talents, recognizing talents, encouraging talents. I don't know how I miss these talents. I think let's give a very big hand, let's appreciate them. I always wondered, Sethu Madhavan, a great director, I'm his fan, and normally children take the same line, but these two, Sonu did not take that, but I think he has done something better. It's all for good. Father directed MGR, but yes, they all directed kids who have done so well. And I must say that this is going to, we are going to use them, that's all, to put in one word. I want to say about Sonu, in Tamil we say, Thai ettadi painda kutti pana ready payum. And his father must be very proud about his son. The point is, Exnor is a very large organization. We have more than 1.55 million members. We coined a slogan, waste is not waste until it's wasted. We said it's not waste management, it's resource management. In many towns and villages, waste has become wealth and unemployed women have been gainfully employed. In the context, the moment I saw that, I told my top team that we should collaborate with chocolate. And we have so much messages. And all these messages will be given to them. It's not just, it was very important, what all been shown, something basic from there. The children, they are going to be a custodian of the planet. So they need to do that. My request to this couple, wonder couple, I think made for each other couple, is that kindly make it also in Tamil. And make it in Tamil, because I am reaching all the villages. If you do that, I can tell you, these children need it more than any other children. I think, you agree with that?
The dubbing is already in process. It's not only in Tamil, we will be coming up in all the regional languages too. And the DVD, the beauty of the DVD is there is a sing-along with the subtitles where the children can learn the lyrics and put it into their system.
I think I'll just complete 2 minutes. I think very good. I'm very, very happy about it. The reason we give so much tools to villages to make their village a model village. India is a great nation, and today I come across a wonderful couple. We need to carry this forward. As parents, பெற்றோர்கள் என்ன பண்றாங்க, குழந்தை பிறந்தவொடனே என்ன தராங்கன்னா பலம் தராங்க, தாய்ப்பால்ல இருந்து விட்டமின் தராங்க, அப்புறம் பண்புகள் சொல்றாங்க. இந்த பண்புகள் தான் இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். பண்புகள் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அதுக்கப்புறம் பக்தியை சொல்லி தராங்க, அப்புறம் படிப்பு, கொஞ்சம் டி ராஜேந்தர் பேசுகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும், படிப்பு, எனக்கு எஜுகேஷன் வேணும், படிப்பை தராங்க, அப்புறம் பணம் சேர்க்குறாங்க, பதவி தராங்க. இந்த 6 பா எல்லா பெற்றோர்களும் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ வி மஸ்ட் அப்ரிஷியேட் த பேரண்ட்ஸ். இந்த 6 பா ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் லைஃப்பில். ஆனால் அந்த 7வது பா ஒன்று இருக்குது, அது செய்யலைன்னா ஐ திங்க் சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் இஸ் பிக் கொஸ்டின் மார்க். அந்த 7வது பானா பசுமை, சுற்றுச்சூழல். பெட்ரோல் இது செய்யறாங்க, இதெல்லாம் இது இண்டிவிஜுவல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. இந்த 7வது பா கலெக்டிவ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. when comes to collective, they say it's not my job. So I request all of you, and particularly the wonder couple, this pasumai, the parents should do as a first duty. In one of the meetings, when I said about this, our mayor was listening with rapt attention, introduced a scheme. Any child is born, when they go to register to corporation, immediately he sends a sapling there and plants it. The parents have to take care of the child as well as the tree. I think a lot of amazing things are there, and today we are wonderstruck. I must compliment Bharati, so, such a sterling performance. I think I found we should all stop talking, allow the children to speak, do the speaking. Thank you, God bless.
Chocolate kids, we are the best!
Yay!